Hello guys, welcome back. Today is the second day of my 7 days challenge on this channel, and I will be talking about how YouTube pays content creators on their platform. Now, before you start making money from ads placed on your videos that you uploaded on your channel, you must have reached the 1,000 subscriber count and the 4,000 watch time hours threshold before you'll be eligible to apply for YouTube's monetization. So when they accept you into their partner program, you can now start making money from the ads placed on your videos. So before you start making that money, there are some basic things you need to understand about YouTube monetization. And there's these two key factors that influence how you make money on your channel. That is the CPM and RPM. But I'm not going to delve deep into these topics in this video. Now, I have this message that was sent to me by a content creator, and he shared his challenges with his revenue. So he shared with me that in the first month that he got monetized, he was to earn about $502, but it was eventually paid $316 according to him. So I sent him this link of a video where I talked about the tax deduction, the 30% tax deduction, because I believe that the deduction he was complaining about was something related to tax and deduction. So he further, share with me that, it was being deducted. The deduction was even up to 40%, and he's considering changing his AdSense account to a US AdSense account. And he also let me to know that 60% of his views were from the United States, and the money they are deducting from his revenue is too much, and it is very, very discouraging. So when he shared this to me, I responded by telling him that I don't think all that is necessary. That is looking for an American AdSense account. So I also let him know that he should be grateful that 60% of his viewership are from the United States, that he should watch my videos and find a way of reducing, the deduction. So let me know in the comment section if, my response was appropriate for him, because I know that many content creators from developing countries in Africa and Asia, they wish to get more views from developed economies because of this CPM of 18. So now for someone to get 60% of it from the US, and is not complaining about the tax deduction. So this was what inspired me to make this video and also share with you what you could earn from every 1,000 views from some selected countries around the world. I just selected these countries randomly based on the views on my channel. So I'm going to share this the amount you could probably earn from every 1,000 views from these selected countries based on tech niche or making money online niche. So I'm just selecting this from one video on my channel to make some better illustration about my interaction with this content creator. So on my screen I have this analytics of this video that has gotten 121,000 from the selected period I want to use for this tutorial. And this, out of this 121,000 views, you can see that over 17,000 were from the United States, and this 17,000 has earned me $585. Now coming to Nigeria, you can see that we have 5,565 views from Nigeria, and it earned me $22. So from this calculation, you can see that if this 17,000, if we switch these views, take this 17,000 to come from Nigeria, it will probably not earn me up to $80, but you can see how much it earned based on the fact that it came from the United States. And here, this is how much advertisers paid for every 1,000 views on these views from the United States. like $39 for every 1,000 views, and for Nigeria it's just only $3.98 for every 1,000 views. So this shows the disparity between views from developed economies and growing economies like Nigeria or any other African country. So that is the reason why many content creators in these developing economies wish that they get more views from the Western world or developed economies. So just to keep tap with what the conversation I have with this content creator, here you can see, like, in every 1,000 views that you get from Nigeria, you'll be expected to pay up to $4 or around $4. This is based on tech and making money online niche. This is not like the standard or what you'll be expecting from your channel. Please let me know in the comment section if what you are getting from your channel is totally different from what I have on the screen. So here we have from the United States, every 1,000 views in this niche, we get about $32. From India, $1, Ghana, $7, South Africa, $11, then Canada, $94. This probably is due to that the views from this particular country is very, very low or very small. So this $94 is totally outrageous. Some other factors might influence the outcome of this amount. Probably when these views were coming to this video, probably there's an event that triggered advertisers to pay more for the views from this particular country. Now that you have gotten an idea of what channels in the tech niche and making money niche are making, do you think that they are better off than other niches on this platform, or is there any other niche that is performing better than this? So let me know your thoughts or your experience on your channel in the comment section. So one thing you need to understand is that a lot happens when YouTube are making this payment. It depends on a lot of things, and sometimes it is beyond the YouTube's control. Everything is determined on what is happening outside YouTube, that is the influence of market. And like now that the US election just concluded, the new administration that will be taking over might also impact how content creators will be earning on YouTube. This is something that you need to be aware of. Many things that are happening within the YouTube ecosystem or Google ecosystem most times is being influenced from the external factors. Like for example, like when advertisers stop promoting much on YouTube, you see that most of the CPMs will start dropping because the money is not there. So if the economy is bad in the offline sector, definitely it will also impact people on the social media or on YouTube as well. So give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and if you have other questions you would like to know about YouTube monetization, please drop it in the comment section. Don't forget that this is day 2. I'll be uploading another video tomorrow, and during the weekend I will go live and will like you guys to participate. It will be an open mic where you will join me and we will talk about all the topics I've shared during the course of this 7 days challenge. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.